Let's do this. Wearers of the Yokai Watch. On tonight's adventure, we're gonna draw Suspicioni. And before we get started, just to inform you, yes, he and I are bros. He and I are friends. I have his medal. I earned his trust for understanding everything that he knows. He's the one responsible for being unable to trust anyone. Also, this guy is responsible for conspiracy theories. Conspiracy theories such as how Velok has 3 heads, just like Alpha Hydronoid. How a few characters look exactly like other guys. Let's get started on here. You probably don't know this, but he's got an eye at the back of his skull. And another thing involves that, well, I don't know what conspiracy theories are here. Like, for starters, Dark Necrobat looks exactly like Myotismon. And, well, sometimes I feel like gravity has a mind of its own. That is why it loads us onto the floor. And a bunch of others. Like if Galarian Tauros is a real thing, or it's just something we saw out of a prize box. And, well, there are other conspiracy theories that I don't really understand. I'll get to that as soon as